Tonight, the FDCP recognizes Filipino films and filmmakers who work for excellence, leading to acclaim in international film festivals across the globe. We celebrate their role in bringing audiences together by giving importance to cinema in distilling the nation's cultural identity and our own identity as Filipinos. And we honor them tonight and their outstanding global recognition in the past year with the Parangal ng Sining Annual Achievement Award. To introduce our first Parangal ng Sining Annual Achievement Awardee is FDCP Chairman Direk Joey Reyes.
Ang kauna-unahon kong pelikula, which was literally decades ago, she was a child actress, na ang role niya ay isang biktima na bata na ikinulong sa loob ng isang cabinet. Alaala ko yon, she was all of 7 years old. The next time I worked with her was in a movie called Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo. And at that time, she was at the cusp of marrying the partner who she will share the rest of her life. Siguro, ang mga detalyeng yan ay sidebar lamang sa lalong mas mahalagang kontribusyon ng artistang ito. Siya ay sumasakatawan ng profesionalismo at higit sa lahat, isang artista na tinitingala ng kanyang mga tagahanga dahil rin sa ulirang uri ng buhay na kanyang binaybay. Nangangahulugan, ang inaarte niya sa pelikula ay dinadama rin niya sa kanyang tunay na buhay at walang makakakwestiyon sa sinseridad at sa lalim ng kanyang mga talento. Sa taong nakaraan, bumalik siya sa paggawa ng pelikula matapos magpahinga at gampanan ang role ng pagiging isang ina at asawa. Ang teleserye princess, ang teleserye queen ay namahinga para maging tunay na nanay at asawa. Ngunit sa kanyang pagbalik, nagwagi siya ng isang international award bilang Best Actress sa Fantasporo International Film Festival sa pelikulang Espantajo. Kaya sa gabing ito, binibigyan ng parangal si Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo sa kanyang ulirang karir bilang isang tunay na aktres na Pilipina. Panoorin natin ito.
Yung simula ng Espantajo talaga, mula talaga kay Direk Chito. So gusto niya gumawa ng isang horror na tungkol sa isang painting na haunted. Doon na yon nagsimula nung sinabi niya na kausap niya si Judy Ann. Siyempre, parang as a writer, nag-iba na yung yung energy ko, nag-iba na yung vibe ko, nag-iba na yung direction ko, na-excite ako.
Well, actually, itong role na to, this is more than 20 years in the making. Siguro mga 30 years. And since then, I promised her that if I come across something na worth it, pwede ko siyang i-cast. And it's a promise I fulfilled how many years after. Finally, nangyari na nga Espantajo ni Chris Martinez. I decided to offer it to her. Sabi ko, ito na, ang pangako ko sa'yo.
Kaya sa akin, deserve niyang mapanalunan yung Best Actress Award because I didn't see Juday on the screen anymore. That was Monette all the way. The transformation is major and that's why she deserves the Best Actress Award.
Judy Ann Santos, one of the most celebrated Filipino actresses of her generation, began her career at just 8 years old with Kaming Mga Ulila in 1986. Over 50 films and countless TV series later, she became a household name. Her breakout role came in 1992 with Mara Clara, followed by lead roles in Esperanza, Sa Puso Ko Iingatan Ka, and Basta't Kasama Kita, solidifying her status as primetime television royalty. In 1999, Judy Ann achieved box office success with Isusumbong Kita sa Tatay Ko, alongside Fernando Poe Jr., the first Filipino film to surpass 100 million pesos at the box office, earning her the title of Box Office Queen.
Magmekaniko na lang kaya ako. Para pagdating ng araw, ako na magiging chief mechanic dito.
This was just the beginning, as she went on to star in hit films like Muling Ibalik ang Tamis ng Pag-ibig, Kahit Isang Saglit, Bakit Di Totohanin, Till There Was You, Don't Give Up on Us, Kasal Kasali Kasalo, Sakal Sakali Saklolo, Si Agimat, Si Enteng Kabisote, at Si Ako, and Ang Dalawang Mrs. Reyes. Her versatility shown in indie films as well, with standout roles in Sabel and Ploning, the latter being the Philippines' entry to the 81st Academy Awards for Best Foreign Language Film. She has earned numerous Best Actress awards, including honors from FAMAS, Golden Screen and Star Awards for Kasal Kasali Kasalo, and a Gawad Urian for Sabel. In 2019, she made her international mark, winning Best Actress at the Cairo International Film Festival for Mindanao. Judy Ann Santos now adds another prestigious accolade to her extraordinary career. At the 2025 Fantasporto International Film Festival in Portugal, she was named Best Actress, marking yet another significant milestone in her illustrious journey.
I'm just so happy for her, and choosing this project for her, parang nagkaroon ako ng fulfillment na, okay, dapat na talaga si Juday yun. Congratulations for your Fantasporo Award. Sobrang proud talaga ako sa'yo.
On a personal level, for me, it was a vindication. Nung nanalo siya sa Fantasporto, parang that was the, period, tuldok, exclamation point na talagang deserve niyang manalo. Congratulations, my dear. I am so happy for you. I know how much you put into this character, how much you put into this role, and you super deserve the award. And sobrang proud ako para sa'yo. Congratulations.
Grabe, congratulations. Maraming salamat sa pagbibigay buhay mo sa tauhan na binuo namin ni Direk na si Monet. The fact na napadala yung Espantaho doon is already a testament that it's a good film, di ba? It's a great film. Sabi ko, ibang level na si Judy Ann. Kung mahusay siya talaga na before, mas mahusay ka pa ngayon.
I would like to thank the jury of Fantasporto for the recognition. It is with great pride and honor that I'm here to represent my country, which is the Philippines.
True to form, pag hindi nagsushooting si Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo, siya ay isang ina na ngayon ay nasa Hong Kong dahil kasama niya ang buong pamilya dahil ang kanyang anak na si Lucho ay naglalaro ng soccer at hindi niya palalampasin itong pagkakataong ito, patunayan ang kanyang kahalagahan bilang taga-suporta ng kanyang anak. Bilang pasasalamat, nagbigay si Juday ng VTR na ito. Pakinggan natin.
Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa bumubuo ng FDCP. Thank you very much for recognizing my work. Sa pagbibigay po sa akin ng Annual Achievement Award, hindi naman po ito mangyayari kung hindi naman din talaga sa maraming taong nakasama ko sa industriyang to. Mula 8 years old ako hanggang ngayon, yes, halos 4 na dekada na po ako dito sa industriyang kinalakihan at minahal ko. Kaya siguro dapat lang at nararapat lang na pasalamatan ko ang bawat isang taong nakasama ko mula Ula hanggang Mara Clara hanggang Esperanza, to my ABS family, sa mga managers na nakasama ko, Tito Jess and Tito Alfie. Hindi ako mabubuo ng ganito kung hindi sa tiwala at pagmamahal ng bawat direktor, bawat producer at bawat writer na nagtitiwala na gampanan ko ang mga characters na isinusulat nila para sa akin. Maraming salamat sa pagbuo nyo sa karera ko. My apologies for not being able to accept this award personally. Ibig sabihin, marami pang dahilan at paraan para mangyari to uli sa akin. Di ba po? Thank you again, and you have just given me more inspiration and more reason para mas mahalin ko pa ng todo-todo tong industriyang ito. So to everyone, again, to FDCP, thank you for the love and thank you for acknowledging this work. To Direk Chito, Chris Martinez, Attorney Joji, salamat dahil ibinigay niyo sa akin itong role na to. Hindi ko naisip na marami akong masusungkit na mga award dahil sa pelikulang Espantaho na hindi lang nakakatakot pero mas pang puso at pang pamilya siya. Marami pa sana tayong gawing pelikulang ganito. Again, from the bottom of my grateful heart, thank you very, very much. Mabuhay po kayo.
In behalf of Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo, tinatanggap ko ang award na ito at dadalhin ko ito sa kanyang bahay dahil 2 blocks away lang siya nakatira. Judy Ann, nag-iintay ito. Thank you.
Thank you, Direk Joey, and congratulations sa idol ko, idol ng napakarami sa atin, Judy Ann Santos.